neighbor's fire. A security camera is different. It's big, it's black, it's thick, and it's a barrel. It doesn't look like a barrel anymore. It's big black smoke. I don't know what he's burning. He's burning clothes, it looks like, guys. He's burning towels and shit. And now he's looking at me like he's an idiot. He thinks I'm film. If he comes over here and starts yelling at me, I'll tell him, hey, I don't like seeing my girl. I don't like. If he comes over here and starts yelling at us, yeah, I'm just filming with my tablet, Mom. If he comes over here and starts yelling at us, I'll tell him to go away. Stop burning shit.
This late at night with a windstorm.
And guess what, Mom? I'm recording. The footage might be off, and I'll upload this on YouTube if I have to. He's burning clothes. That's what he's doing. He's burning clothes right now. Why? I have no clue. He told me to turn off the. I think he maybe went to push the camera down there a day.
650. Yes, there's a.
Yeah, he's burning stuff. He's burning clothes. I don't know whose clothes he's burning though. And there goes a wiggle wing blast.
Yes.
Whoa, okay. And what you guys are seeing right now, whoa. Mom, that fire is getting out of control. That fire is out of control.
Keep an eye on it.
He's not out there. And right now, I'm recording right now. Now the security camera, normal tablet. I'm recording on a normal tablet right now, not security camera. It's blurry, but you can tell it's a big-ass fire.
Okay.
Jack, you have $11,750. I'm gonna try to solve it. Okay. Oh man.
I saw the quality, guys, but this is just. That's practically up to the. Oh, wow. Security camera, the security light went off up front.
Go down one more level, Jack.
Whoa. First I thought that was the wind, not the security camera.
It's okay. It's okay. Am I red? No, but it's from getting up